There are three main types of web development: front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. Front-end development, also known as client-side development, focuses on the visual and interactive elements of a website. Front-end developers use programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the user interface of a website that users interact with directly. They are responsible for designing the layout of a website, creating interactive elements such as buttons and menus, and ensuring that the website is responsive and accessible on all devices. Back-end development, also known as server-side development, is concerned with the behind-the-scenes functionality of a website. Back-end developers use programming languages like PHP, Ruby, Python, and Java to create the logic and algorithms that power the website's functionality. They are responsible for managing the website's server, databases, and APIs to ensure that data is stored and accessed efficiently and securely. Full-stack development involves both front-end and back-end development. Full-stack developers have a broad range of skills and are able to work on both the client side and server side of a website. They are able to handle everything